On the contrary, we become purified by practicing bhakti. So then, Rupa Goswami cites 7 verses to clarify verse 64, which says it is the esoteric significance of Vaishnava. He says it is the esoteric significance. He quotes this phrase, Vaishnava Shastranam Rahasyam. So this is the secret. The secret of Vaishnava Shastras is that a fallen devotee need not do any prayaschita. So in karma or gyan, if you fall from the path of gyan yoga, then you have to do so much atonement, fasting and difficult tapasya to get forgiven for that fall down or that deviation. But in bhakti, if you fall down or leave the path or break the principles, there's no separate atonement. You simply start chanting again, following the principles strictly and chanting, and that's automatically you're rightly situated without any separate endeavor or separate practices. The only qualification for bhakti is to follow the laws given by the Guru. There's no need for any other method of purification.